Hi everyone, today we are going to make flaxseed gel, which is made up of natural flaxseed extract, hydrolyzed proteins and gums like xantham gum and guar gum. This flaxseed extract is made up of grounded flax seeds, glycerin and water. I'll post details about it in my blog. You could also use flaxseed extract directly instead of this infusion. This makes hair look voluminous and holds the curls. Since I have combed my hair, it is not holding curls here, but it holds the curls beautifully. You can see the after video. Now let's dive into the video. First, we'll add the flaxseed extract, which I have made using glycerin and water. I'll post the details in the blog soon. Note that this may have a shorter shelf life, so it is advised to use soon. Now I'll add the gums, which make the base of our gel, and they also help in holding the curls. The first one I have added is Xantham Gum clear, and the next is guar gum. Both help in hold of the hair. Now goes the glycerin. I am hydrating it in glycerin so that it is easier to mix, otherwise it will form fishy eyes or lumps. So I'll be adding glycerin and stirring it completely. Now I'll add hydrolyzed protein in a separate beaker, in the one that we have added the flaxseed extract. You could choose hydrolyzed protein, whichever of your choice. Now goes the extract. I am using the rice extract. These are from Sopaloop. I'll tag the vendor details in the description. Now goes the pea extract. I am adding DL Panthenol to add some moisturization. This is from AACS. A little bit is enough. Now goes the preservative. I am adding the natural preservative. Now I'll add water in the gum phase and stir it slowly so that it doesn't form any lumps. Adding a small amount at a time and then stirring it. If you see, it forms clear gel. Since the addition of guar gum, it forms a bit of a creamy color. Now I'll be adding this into the hydrolyzed protein and our flaxseed extract phase. I have adjusted the pH around 5. Now I'll pour it into the container. You could use a squeezy type bottle too. Now I'll show how it works. It is easy to use it in the front hair, so I'm showing it here. I have just applied the gum and trying to hold. You can see it holds the curls. If you make it, do let me know how it is. Your feedback helps me in making better products. Thank you.